Isn't it a proud feeling to be known by your child's name? Kalpana and Ashutosh prefer that way. They're proud parents to a 13-year-old Dhruv. So Kalpana was an IT professional while Ashutosh was successful in the field of advertising. But both of them left their respective careers. Why? Because life chose to give them lemons and they decided to make lemonade out of it. Let's hear it from them. And you're watching Your Essence with Nidhi Sen. So thank you so much, Kalpana. Thank you both of you for joining in and agreeing to be a part of this little chat that we are doing today.
Our pleasure, ma'am.
So please share with the people who are watching us a little bit about yourself, both of you.
Okay, so I'm Kalpana. I'm Dhruv's mother.
I'm Ashutosh. I'm Dhruv's father.
And I am a full-time mom to Dhruv, obviously, and I'm working as a part-time IT consultant, and I've been in this organization even before Dhruv was born.
I was earlier working with a talent agency. Now I'm working on my own. I've got my business. So I'm running that now because of Dhruv's problem.
That's amazing. So I'm noticing, how you have introduced yourself as Dhruv's parents. So coming to,
That's what we are known for now.
Would you like to share a little bit about how Dhruv came into your life and how it was?
Okay, so let's start off with us. So we have been married for now 15 years, and before marriage, 10 years we had an affair. So it is a love marriage. So 10 years of affair. So we have been together for 25 years. So Silver Jubilee man gayi hai. How was life before Dhruv? So yaad nahi hai. It was obviously very, very different. I was at least 15 kgs lighter than what I was. And after Dhruv has come, it is only about Dhruv. So even he keeps complaining that अब तो हर चीज Dhruv के लिए ही है. मतलब अगर बादाम भी देना है तो उसको देगी, मेरे को बोलेगी कि खत्म हो जाएंगे. So that is how things have been. So lot has changed after Dhruv has come in our lives. Like he said, he was working in ad agency and he left the job so that when I am working, then he can give some time to Dhruv. I also, once we got to know about Dhruv's diagnosis, he was 1 year, 8 months when we got to know that he has autism. I also put in my papers, but my bosses, both of them, they said that financially stability is equally important. So, jitna kaam kar sakti hai, no compulsion, don't put in your papers. So I've been there even after the diagnosis, and things had not been easy. I mean, so we got to know about this because he used to have a lot of chest congestion and cough and cold. Because of that, we went to the hospital. So the doctor there said that I feel there's some problem. He suggested us to go to Gangaram. So we went to Gangaram. We got his MRI and EEG and multiple tests done. And one of the tests, I still remember, I had gone to get the report. Parking ki jagah nahi mil rahi thi. He was sitting in the car. I got the report and I did not open it because I was scared. कि क्या होगा उसके अंदर. गाड़ी में आके खोला and the report said he will not be able to talk. And बस उसके बाद तो सिर्फ रोना शुरू हुआ था.
He went into a complete shock for around 2-3 months. Then
might have been really difficult to accept, right?
Yeah, it was very difficult.
We didn't even know what autism was. So 6 months we went to, I think, all possible doctors just to hear this word that इसे कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
Or something that we can do for him, some kind of treatment that we're looking for might change him.
Things will get reversed, miracle will happen, but नहीं हुआ. And 6 महीने तो रोने में ही निकल गया. पूरा रास्ता गंगाराम से घर तक रोने में निकल गया. And whenever we went, So it was just crying and not accepting. And then I spoke to my boss. I still remember he drew a circle on the paper. And that circle said, the first step whenever there is a problem is that you deny it. कि ये नहीं है. The second step is when you start blaming God, blaming everybody around you, saying that, why me? The third step is acceptance. Once you accept, then you work and then there is success. The shorter the time between getting to know about it and acceptance is the time you save to get successful.
That's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful way to, describe this. So how long did it? I know, of course, I can't even imagine how tough it might have been, but how did you come to accept it?
And it just came. So we had to accept it. There was no choice. So we just accepted it and we started working on it. And now I don't care.
That's wonderful. But at that time, what was the reaction of the people around you? How did you deal with that? Was it equally supportive?
See, ma'am, on that, it depends what do you call support. So what's the definition of support? Somebody giving you financial support, somebody just saying good things about you, and somebody just not bothering and letting you do what you're doing. So for that matter, I say my neighbors are supportive. They are supportive because चिल्लाते हुए जब ये सीढ़ी चढ़ता है कोई bother नहीं करता, कोई कुछ कहता नहीं है. So that is also support. So I would say everybody was supportive. मुझे जो करना था मुझे करने दिया. So everybody was supportive from that part. But yes, he has been there.
So, I have noticed both of you, of course, the challenges of, when I was in the same school. I've never seen you, both upset in any manner. I've seen you both always smiling whenever I've seen you with Dhruv. So what has given you that courage, to take it forward in this direction?
Ma'am, the biggest thing that I've learned is giving up is not an option. So if it is not an option, then either you can cry about it and do what you have to do, or you can smile and do it. Crying makes it even more difficult. It's not that I don't cry, because there are times when I have to think, mere baad kya hoga? So that is the thing that I can't control. But till the time I am alive, I can control what I do with him. I can control what I do with myself. Another problem that is there is comparison. I also used to have that problem. अरे आज तो इसने फेसबुक पे डाल दिया, मेरे को भी ये कराना चाहिए. आज इसने ये यूट्यूब पे डाल दिया, ये व्हाट्सएप पे डाल दिया. Believe me, आजकल जब when I get into depression, I stop looking at WhatsApp. I stop looking at what people are doing with their kids. उससे और pressure बढ़ता है and you feel, मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं. I'm a bad mother. I don't do anything. So stop looking at that. Don't let the peer pressure bother you. मेरा बच्चा मेरा है. He's got his own ways of handling things and he's got his own speciality.
I think that's a wonderful tip you just gave, Kalpana, that, stop looking at social media. It is a pain. There's a lot of noise going on there, We really need to filter it.
Ma'am, in social media, you only see what people want you to see, right? सबके घर में लड़ाई होती है, सबके घर में प्रॉब्लम है, सब रोते हैं, सब अपसेट होते हैं. वो तो कोई फेसबुक पे नहीं डालता ना. So हर कोई जो अच्छी चीज हो रही है वही डालता है. हम उतने पार्ट को देखते हैं and we take that pressure on ourselves, and that pressure will obviously come out somewhere.
Yes.
तो उसे ना देखना कुछ टाइम के लिए is always good. Another thing, stop comparing. मेरे को भी अच्छा लगता है when I see other kids dancing या उनके वीडियोस, या किसी के वीडियोस जो बड़ा अच्छा कीबोर्ड प्ले कर रहे हैं, या कोई बहुत अच्छी रेसिटेशन कर रहे हैं. मेरा ही मन करता है ध्रुव करे, पता है सर नहीं, वो नहीं करना चाहता. बीच में हमें भूत चढ़ता है. तो हम लोगों ने भी कैसियो बजाया था 2-3 दिन, फिर ना उसका मन किया ना मेरा मन किया. तो छोड़ो यार, हम पेंटिंग में खुश हैं, पेंटिंग ही करेंगे.
I love that.
जबरदस्ती force करना, I mean that goes even for neurotypical. So what holds good for neurotypical also holds good for them. If he loves painting and that is his forte, I should promote that rather than trying to put him in something because others are doing it. जरूरी नहीं है वो कर सके. So these are two big things that I've learned. Peer pressure मत लो किसी भी फॉर्म का, और कंपेयर मत करो. अगर कंपेयर नहीं करोगे, एक्सपेक्टेशन कम होगी तो खुश रहोगे.
That's wonderful. And I think as a couple, both of you, I think that fine tuning is so important, which I can, even though Ashutosh is not speaking, but I can see that tuning between you both. I've seen you too. And how difficult has it been for you? I asked you
Initially, it
as a
was very difficult
father
because
and as a man of the house.
it has been very difficult earlier, but later on, I also realized if there is some problem with him, we have to accept that and face it head on. So I came out of it earlier than she. She went in depression for around 6 months, but I was kind of okay. I said, okay, whatever problem he has, we should accept it and we should move on.
That's amazing. And the shift in your career, you made it consciously, keeping the
Yeah, that was
situation
done
in
because
mind.
of Drew only, because I would not have been able to take out much time for him if I would have worked for somebody else. So that was
Yeah.
the only reason I started my own business.
That might have been difficult to
Yeah,
make
it
the
still
shift.
is, because still we have to keep going with him to the school. So it is not very easy, but you don't have any choice.
Bro, you're an inspiration for so many, so many. Believe me, you have no idea. So, of course, I've seen you, you know, how you manage. So, how have you groomed through, irrespective of the challenges that you faced? How did you realize his strengths?
Ma'am, I would give all the credit to Anju ma'am. It was only because of Anju ma'am that I got him into this. He used to, even when he was 6 months or more than, I think, एक साल का था उसके, he used to stim with colors. So he would just pick up colors, he'll throw them and he'll watch them. And I used to get very irritated, he क्या कर रहा है? So it was in school when Anju ma'am saw him drawing, मेरे को तो लगता था पता नहीं क्या कचरा बना रहा है, but she said that she told me कि summer vacation में, I think it was in 4th class, yeah, in 4th
In
class,
fourth.
summer vacation में इसको न्यूज़पेपर वाला जो पेपर आता है ना, वो दे दे और कलर दे के छोड़ दे, and that was the start.
That's amazing. And please share with everybody what is Dhruv doing, because they would love to know what is he doing. हम color की बात कर रहे हैं बहुत सारा, लेकिन कर क्या रहा है?
Loves to paint. Had multiple exhibitions. He was fortunate enough to be a part of art views from Planet Autism, the exhibition which is organized by AFA. One time it happened, unfortunately. Second time also it got selected, but because of pandemic it could not happen. In the first one, I think he had submitted 10 paintings. All were selected and all were sold.
Wow.
And one actually has gone to one of MP's house. It has been purchased by some of the MP. I don't remember his name, but he bought that painting.
Super.
And one of his painting had gone to US for an auction to help people who were suffering in pandemic, and that fetched 500 USD. Multiple exhibition, and I think most of the exhibition where he's participated, where the paintings have actually been for sale, a lot has gone. A lot of paintings have got sold even through Facebook. So he has his own channel on Facebook and on Instagram.
That's really great, because I have been following, you know, whatever you keep posting on his page, and it's really, really, really mind blowing, guys. If you get a chance, I'm going to share, you know, the link of the name of Dhruv's page. Please go ahead and have a look at, you know, the wonderful paintings, that artworks that Dhruv is producing. And even as we talk, by the way, he's painting right now. As we talk right now, he's busy in his room painting.
Yes.
And interestingly, ma'am, a lot of it he's learned on his own. So he's been watching a lot of YouTube videos and he keeps looking at different things, and then he just mixes up things and he does that. So
awesome. So I'm sure you have been interacting with a lot of parents who have similar, you know, situation as yours, and there might be a lot of other people also. What, you know, who face not just this challenge, but a lot other challenges also, you know, in life. What would you like to? What message would you like, both of you, like to give to them?
One of the most important message, as I said earlier, stop comparing. your child and the other child is different. You can't force him to do something. You should try everything. But जो उसे पसंद है वो कराओ, जबरदस्ती मत कराओ. It will not work. So that is one important thing. And apart from that, start enjoying small things in life. आज हम लोग सुबह हंस रहे थे and we are very happy because उसने ये बोला कि सॉक्स ही तो पहन रहा हूँ. उसने इतना बोला था and ये बोला. I mean, from the diagnosis that he will never be able to speak to the time वो सुबह उठ के ये कह रहा है दरवाजा बंद कर दो, मुझे सोना है, मैं सॉक्स ही तो पहन रहा हूँ. So those things make us happy. I mean, going to moon, having an ambition to go to moon. How many times you have thought कि आज हम 15 मिनट निकाल के छत पे जाएंगे और मून को देखेंगे. So we should find pleasure in smaller things in life which are there. मेरे आज के अगर किसी दिन दही अच्छी जमती है तो मेरा दिन अच्छा जाता है. So those things also make a difference. They do. So I mean, having smaller targets in life and being able to achieve them will give you more happiness rather than trying कि ध्रुव MF हुसैन बन जाएगा. I don't care. उसकी एक पेंटिंग अच्छी बनेगी, I'll post it and he'll get 20 likes. I'm happy with that.
And I think that's the best thing. You need to have your own uniqueness. You just cannot follow somebody else's footsteps. You have to create your own.
Obviously.
And
having smaller targets and enjoying smaller things in life does make a difference. आज हम लोग आधा घंटा धूप में बैठे थे. I'm happy about that. So
I love your buzz moments. That's I think we all need to learn from this part what Kalpana is mentioning. We really need to enjoy every small little thing.
one thing that I've realized is चीजों को छुपाने से चीजों में और प्रॉब्लम बढ़ती हैं. I've seen a lot of parents who got special kids. They don't tell their relatives that इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम है. They don't tell their friends इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम है. उन्हें शर्म आती है. किस चीज की शर्म आती है यार? They don't accept it. I mean, because they don't accept it, they don't share it. I think हमारा कोई भी ऐसा फ्रेंड नहीं होगा जिसे नहीं पता है कि ध्रुव को प्रॉब्लम है. I mean, I've told even people who are staying in US, UK will never ever meet Dhruv. So forget about knowing about his problem. Because of that, you get cut off from the world. And for that matter, any problem in life, if you share, maybe they will have a solution.
Yes.
And at least तुम्हें ये तो नहीं लगता कि उसे किसी और से पता चला तब क्या होगा? ठीक है यार, है तो है.
True. I strongly believe in this, talking out and accepting. It's fine. Everybody has problems. Even those smiling faces on Facebook, like you said,
Yes.
Everybody has problems. Nobody talks about them. It's important to talk. Yes.
Having somebody to beat at home.
I think support. This is a beautiful support that you have with each other, and that just shows. You really don't have to say anything. It just shows. It's beaming.
And I think for him, क्या गाना गाते रहे ना, so he keeps singing. So I think that is his way of letting out things.
See that's the beauty, right? You found your own ways to find that strength and courage.
Yeah.
Enjoying small little moments, singing songs, talking to people. Dahi acha jam gaya. Keeping yourself happy in different ways and feeling happy and courageous. Thank you. Thank you, Kalpana. Thank you, Ashutosh.
Thank you so much.
It was amazing. Yeah, thank you. And I'm sure this is going to touch somebody's life.
I sincerely hope अगर एक जना भी दही के जमने से खुश हो जाए, I'll be happy.
I hope उनका भी दही अच्छा जमे. Thank you.